Affiliate marketing the right way. This strategy best and no one doing this. This is right way to do affiliate marketing. Read full. When I decide to start affiliate marketing, I research a lot and found the best and legit ways to make money. One of the reasons for writing on Medium, I write Medium because I want to build my audience and provide free information and help. And the Medium is the best way to drive traffic, or this is the best way to start blogging. You can get views and also you can add affiliate links here. But it's only sends traffic resources. In this article I will give you the full recipe or strategy that all super affiliates do. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Select the right niche. You need to select the right niche because it's very important to do affiliate marketing, and choose high commission niches like automation, crypto, blogging, health, fitness, or any digital product. Step 2. To find products, go to ClickBank, CJ, Digistore, Impact, ShareASell, or if you are in the artificial niche, then I suggest you go to my website roboteTool.com. In this website I gave Excel sheet for applying different AI affiliate products. Step 3. Make a free landing page for your product on System.io. A landing page is very important to convert leads into customers, so make sure you can create a landing page. Step 4. On System.io there is an option you can create an email sequence for email marketing, because if you have a lead email, you can sell anything and make affiliate income without finding a new customer. So make an email sequence for leads. Step 5. Make accounts on Medium, Quora, and start posting related to your product. Start a YouTube channel and make videos on your product review or related to the product and promote the landing page with it. You can also make YouTube shorts and reels. It's also the best way to drive traffic. Step 6. You can get emails from your landing page, and then you need to send emails to your email subscriber daily or in sequence and put affiliate links on the email. You can also start your blog, but it costs you. If you do not want to invest, then the Medium is best for writing blogs and articles. If you think this content is valuable, then clap, share and follow for more. If you want to support my writing, buy me coffee. $30,000 a month of doing affiliate marketing the right way. This strategy best